Good evening everyone. We've made it to the View Service Apartments. This has got a sink, a tea coffee maker. There isn't a kitchenette as such, but a little bit of storage, drawers. There isn't any cutlery, so I'm not sure why they call it serviced apartments. They have, oh gosh, they have units, but there is nothing in the units. Do you guys give cutlery on plates and stuff or not?
Yeah,
There's nothing. There's
we don't have that.
no?
Yeah.
But apartment doesn't have things?
If long stay we provide, but for short stay we don't provide.
I don't know.
Oh, long stay. Okay. All right. So as you heard, the manager said that for short stay we don't provide anything. Not sure how this becomes a serviced apartment then. If there isn't anything that you can live comfortably. It's got a fridge, quite a decent sized fridge, but no plates, no nothing. And it's got a cooling zone. Don't know if it's a ice box. Yeah, it is an ice box. So far so good, apart from the fact that there is nothing you can bring any meal with you to eat on as such. Okay, there is a sofa. It's not a sofa bed. And there is a coffee table, all good stuff. Table, large TV. The one thing that is not large is the bed. It's quite a small bed. And only one bedside table. Comment below if you understand why hotels only provide one bedside table, because both of you need bedside table, not just the one of you. Reasonable size room. I was expecting a bigger room. This is our nighttime view, and this is a balcony. No seating space in the balcony though. I'm not sure this helps the origami stuff. And there is a torch. Never had a torch in a hotel room before. Not that it works. Maybe it's supposed to be charging somewhere. But this is very random. Maybe they lose electricity, but it needs to have some sort of a charge. It needs to be charged up. Or maybe it just needs to be plugged in the whole time. It's one of those. Bathroom is quite small for the size of property that is here. I was expecting a lot bigger bathroom. And decent sized shower, all nice and clean. And the bathroom is so small that it can't take a door, normal door. It's got a sliding door. Okay folks, we'll catch up in a couple of days to do a full review of what it was like to stay here. See you in a bit. Bye. They have given us one set of towels, even though they knew two of us were coming, but he's sending some more towels for us. Plus there is only one bathrobe and one pair of slippers. Very strange looking safe. We've never had one that opens from the top before, and it's got a gas strap. But the storage space is very limited. And two hangers. Two hangers! I've never had that few hangers before, and I've complained about them before. So they're charging quite a bit considering what they're providing. We're paying over $60 a night for a very small room in Phnom Penh. Maybe that's how much things are over here. Looks like they might have had an option of having a washing machine here. I don't know whether they never installed it or they installed it and took it away. That's the plug, that's the water intake, that's the extraction. And it was prepared first thing in the morning, and then when I asked for fresh coffee he just turned it on to heat it up. So that's their idea of fresh coffee. The breakfast here is only to order from the menu. And I went for the Japanese breakfast, and they have fruit on the side. and this is the extent of the fruit that they give you, and they count the lemon as a fruit as well. Very limited breakfast. Don't you just love it when you come back from a day out and walking and sightseeing and come back to a hotel where it's nicely done up for you already? Well, today is not one of those days. This is sold as a studio apartment, but in the studio apartment there isn't any facilities to even warm up your food, or if you bring any food from outside, you don't have any plates and bowls and stuff. And then I literally had to argue with him to provide us with some plates and things, because he was saying, nope, you're a short stay, we don't have that. So then when I got really upset, he brought some bowls and spoons and forks, and they have a lot of cupboards for the kitchen and they're all empty. There is no provision. So, and only one wardrobe, which is not enough for any unpacking. So we've literally been using their kitchen drawers for storage, and kitchen units for storage, because otherwise there isn't enough storage here. And there is no mention of any of this lack of facilities on booking.com. He kept saying, oh, you booked it via booking.com, you have to go check with them, complain to them. And I said, it's not booking.com's problem, it's yours, because you haven't provided the information. So none of this information is on booking.com. I went back and checked as well. For the bathroom, when we checked in, for some reason they didn't realize that there was going to be two of us, even though I always make sure that I've put the right number, just in case they complain at check-in that, oh, it's only for one person, now you have to pay more. But this shower, it looks really nice and clean, and it is. The shower glass only comes a third of the way, so the floor does get wet, because there's no way, as you can see, the shower head is way past the shower screen, so the floor does get wet. But the good thing is that the towels are not slippery at all. Other good thing is that the towels are really nice in the bathroom, and obviously the heated seats are amazing. Which leads me to the elephant in the room, or rather the elephant in the swimming pool, because the swimming pool has a really nice view and all of that, but they do not provide towels for the swimming pool. You have to find your own. So if you have traveled without towels, then you've had it. Again, no mention of it on booking.com. And the breakfast is not like a buffet breakfast. It's just from a menu. You can choose one set. The coffee was cold by the time we got there. There is some juices available and a little bit of cornflakes in a bowl, which is very stale. The breakfast wasn't that great either, but the view from the breakfast area is really good, and the view from the swimming pool is very nice. But the bed is really small, and the mattress is not bad, but the bed is really small. So I know all first world problems, but this is supposed to be a 4-star place, but it's definitely not. This is not a 4-star size property. We've been traveling around Vietnam and Cambodia, and all of the hotels were cheaper than here, and the rooms were all larger than here. Yeah, so the last day of our travel this time is not been that great, and my husband said, just don't worry about it, it's fine, don't let it spoil your holiday. So if you liked the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, so I know somebody's watching, somebody's getting any use of it. So I'll like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time for review and travel videos. Bye. And my husband said that it's not fair to them if you don't take a video for today. But apart from the bed being made, the rest of what I said yesterday is exactly the same. Wi-Fi can be a bit of a hit and miss sometimes, but it's not too bad. The swimming pool area is really nice. The water itself is very cold, so it's not really good if the sun's down and then you try to swim there. The rest of the things are exactly the same as I mentioned in the previous clip. The staff have been really sweet and trying to be very apologetic about the lift not working, and today they gave us some extra towels as well. The room itself was not as it was supposed to have been, and they say this is a 30 square meter room, but this is not at all 30 square meters room. Anyway, so if you like the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time for review and travel videos. Bye. Very strange. What's it called? Safe. Very strange looking safe.